Okay, I'm gonna fix a flickering problem on a 2015 BMW X1. The high beams, when you start it, they flicker. Not a big deal, but they kind of pulse while you're driving. So how we're gonna fix this is we're gonna install the Alpha Series lighting PWM modules. And this is a pulse width modulation module. So if you got any kind of daytime running light, flickering, it works with that. You get any bulb out codes or anything like that, these modules are plug and play for LED bulbs. They'll solve any CAN bus issues at all. We're gonna put them in this BMW and see how it works. Okay, we got them installed. Now let's fire us up and test it out. All right, quick 5-minute fix. It's all done. You do see a bit of flickering obviously in the end, but that's due to the frame rate of our camera versus the LED. So to the naked eye, there's no more flickering. The problem's solved. The birds are happy. The sun is shining and there's no more LEDs flickering. 5-minute install. If you need something like this for your vehicle, you got codes, you got flickering, anything like this, head over to www.btslighting.com and check them out today.